Tired of not being able to open doors? Tired of women thinking you're gross?
Hey, Apple Dumplings. How you feeling?
Ew.
Then you need the Batman belt. The unique seatbelt like buckle allows you to take it on and put it off with ease. Now you can open doors. Now you can pick up women.
Well, aren't you just a tall glass of water?
I'm getting laid.
But that's not all. Call in the next 20 minutes and you'll also receive the Batman wallet. Tired of the totally just American laws being broken right in front of your eyes?
Hey, stop.
The Batman wallet can help you stop all that.
Stop, villain. I'm a superhero.
Batman seatbelt style buckle belt and wallet. For a limited time only, call now.